Hello, today I want to introduce you my friend. This is my munching monster. And munching monster is very hungry and he wants to eat. But munching monster eats only m sound items. So if the word starts with m sound, he can eat. If not, he doesn't want to eat it. So what letter makes m sound? Let's see. This is a letter M, and the letter M makes m sound. This is the uppercase M, and this is a lowercase m. Let's see what items can munching monster eat. What is this? This is a meat. Meat. Munching monster, can you eat a meat? Yes, he can eat a meat because meat starts with m sound. Good job. The next item is the milk. Milk. This is a milk. Can you repeat after me? This is a milk. Milk. Munching monster, do you want to drink a milk? Right, he can drink milk because milk starts with m sound. Good job. What is next? This is a mango. Mango. Munching monster, do you want to eat a mango? Yes, he can eat a mango because mango starts with m sound. Can you repeat after me? Mango. Good job. What comes next? This is a melon. And the munching monster can eat a melon because melon starts with m sound. Melon. Can you repeat after me? Melon. Munching monster likes to eat a melon. Good job. The next one is the marshmallow. Marshmallow. I say it, you say it. Marshmallows. Munching monster, do you want to eat marshmallows? Yes, he can eat marshmallows because marshmallows starts with m sound. Good job. Thank you for helping me to feed the munching monster. Good job. Thank you. Bye-bye.